I'm coming down too. Okay.
Woo! He said, don't hold on to the boat, you'll go under. Hi, my love. You know what you're doing. Oh, good. Go ahead.
Leafy greens, leafy greens.
Woo!
Good time, my man?
Oh yeah. You go?
Not now. Yeah. That's alright. It's alright. I'll get you up.
That's right.
It's alright. We did it last year. And I said, it's funny, this boat maybe like 18 inches tall, but it feels like it's 10 foot tall when you're in the water.
It's fucking cold, my love.
Oh, yeah, trying to claw back in. It's not cold, it's
I'm sorry, it's fucking invigorating.
fucking invigorating. I've never been so fucking invigorated.
Still invigorated, bro.
Shit, that's hard now.
If you guys are looking for some fun camping, go check out Rock Creek Campground. It's all like 20 bucks a night, and you get to camp right on this river. Yeah. Throw your kids in the top, they swim down this lazy river, they love it. There's some rope swings that they got set up along the bank here. No, not really, because of the dam that cut it off. Now this lake will hold some stuff, because this lake tends to, you know, just always hold a little bit of water. But the fish tend to like go down to Parksville Lake. They don't really like to hang out.
You doing alright? Oh yeah?
You're an honor.
So my swimmers in the water, they want to kind of stick out from the center. It's going to get kind of shallow off of the That rapid is one rock.
That's right. We're going hard this time.
Funny you mentioned the handicap sticker. We used to call that an I can't drive sticker, so 250.
We gave it to him on a rock.
Nice.
It's not so deep.
Yeah, you gotta be careful.
Yeah.
Yeah, last year I think I was too far over and I was stepping on rock as I was going over.
The backstroke.
Oh, that's a rock.
Yep.
Careful, it's a rock.
Shallower?
Oh, yeah. Hit another rock.
Now you're Bobbo.
There's a boat behind you.
I fell. Thank you.
Ah, it's a goal! It's a goal! It's so fun! Oh! Woo!
The paper truck right by you! Saw you jump. Everyone looks like it's not.
How was it, my love?
Invigorating.
Invigorating.
No one will know.
Are you peeing in the water, Jason?
Yeah, I'm not even looking at it.
Liar.
I said a little bit. I said a little bit.
A little bit. Es que allá se estaba más rápido.
I will drag you in this water with me.
I have no doubt. But you're going to have to try hard. From down there, you got no leverage.
How deep is it in here?
Anywhere between 30 feet to 3 inches.
Yeah, I found the 3
Depending on whether or
inches.
not there's a rock.
I found the 3 inches back there.
Don't ever say that again.
Alright, I'm done. Can I get back in?
You want to grab her right knee grab? Here, come this way a little bit more. Ready? You ready? Yes.
Yep.
No, I need your straps. All right, 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Good?
yeah.
There's not a graceful.
Yeah, there's.
Oh, yeah.
Like a seal or something.
Yeah.
The last guy's like, go ahead, try and get up on your own. I was like,
Yeah.
I feel handicapped.
Feel?
There was a girl determined to get in the boat.
Yeah.
And she tried. She had one leg up and was like hanging on by her toes. This way, I mean, it took forever. She gets in. She got one foot hooked and got herself pulled up.
Like a spider.
And then like scooted the foot into the boat and pulled.
So she did
But she did it by herself.
And then she jumped right out the damn boat. And I was like, you will not do that twice.
Yeah, that's not a true